Hello, young people and those who are young at heart. Well, I've got good news for you. Do not let anyone despise your youth. Well, I've got even better news. ZUSDAF, Zimbabwe UK Seventh-day Adventist Fellowship, brings to you the 2020 Virtual Family Retreat. Yes, in this unprecedented time, we still have time to worship God in the beauty of His holiness. The theme is United for Mission. But I've got the best news for the young people under the dictates of my voice. We still have the program specifically tailor-made for young people on the 28th of November. Who is invited? Every Zimbabwean young person. You might be from China, you might be in Dubai, you might be in Lesotho, you might be in Zimbabwe, you might be even in the UK or wherever you are under the sea, over the mountains. Please join us. Our theme for the youth program is Mission Possible. Please don't miss this opportunity. The details for this program are on this flyer that is coming right to your screen. I hope to see you there because I will definitely be there. United for Mission, and the mission is possible.